Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into an essential LinkedIn privacy feature: how to manage who can discover you by your email address on LinkedIn using a PC. This is a great way to control your visibility and ensure that only the right people can find you. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to linkedin.com. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture or the Me icon. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the Settings hub, where you can manage various aspects of your LinkedIn account. Next, navigate to the Visibility section on the left-hand side of the page. Now, scroll down until you find an option labeled Profile Discovery using email address. Click on this option to proceed. Here's where you can fine-tune who can discover your profile using your email address. You'll see several options. First-degree connections. This limits discovery to people you're directly connected with on LinkedIn. First and second-degree connections. This expands visibility to include connections of your connections. Choose the option that best suits your privacy preferences by clicking on it. Your changes will be saved automatically. And that's it. You've successfully managed who can discover you by your email address on LinkedIn. Taking control of these settings helps protect your privacy while maintaining professional connections. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your LinkedIn experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.